I can't see you guys. Come here.
You're just like,
He's got a stick.
she just like ran into me.
I got a stick! I got a stick, sister!
Are you eating the leash?
It's too
Are you eating the leash? Hi. Hi, guys.
Ah! Dang, that's leash is like a chainsaw. Stop!
They said, oh, we're so glad to be out of the shelter. Come back here, Skylar.
I am.
Little white dog, real alpha.
Yeah.
Come here, guys.
This dude just wants to explore. Come over here, buddy. Come over here. No, you come here. You can't explore.
Come here. Hi. Goodness, are you excited? She said, I've been in that shelter too long. Hi, pretty puppies.